Ever stood in front of your closet full of clothes, yet felt you had nothing to wear? It's a common dilemma, isn't it? You're not alone in this. Many of us face the paradox of the overflowing wardrobe, yet nothing seems quite right. It's not about the quantity, but the quality and versatility of your clothing items. The secret lies in having a few well-chosen essentials. We're here to simplify your wardrobe choices and elevate your style. The Glamorous Mom Guide presents Wardrobe Essentials for Glam Moms. First on our list is the iconic little black dress. It's a classic wardrobe staple that never goes out of style. Why? Because it is the epitome of versatility. Need to dress up for a formal event? A little black dress paired with heels and elegant jewelry will make you the belle of the ball. Or perhaps you're heading out for a casual day. The same dress, when matched with a pair of sneakers and a denim jacket, transforms from chic to street smart in no time. The little black dress isn't just versatile, it's also timeless. It transcends trends and seasons, always remaining a stylish option no matter what. From Coco Chanel to Audrey Hepburn, the little black dress has been a favorite among style icons for decades. So, a little black dress is a must-have for its versatility and timeless appeal. It's not just a dress, it's a statement of elegance, style, and confidence. Next up, we have a pair of well-fitted jeans. When it comes to comfort and style, there's nothing quite like them. They're the unsung heroes of the casual wardrobe, versatile enough to dress up or down depending on the occasion. But here's the thing, all jeans are not created equal. It's not just about the brand or the latest trend, it's about finding that perfect fit that hugs your body just right. A good pair of jeans should feel like a second skin. They should be comfortable enough to move in, yet snug enough to enhance your silhouette. Whether you prefer a classic straight cut or a flattering skinny fit, high-rise or mid-rise, dark wash or light, the key is to find a pair that truly fits and flatters your unique body shape. And once you find them, trust me, you'll want to live in them. Remember, well-fitted jeans are your best friend for everyday style and comfort. Third on our list is the classic white shirt. This timeless piece is a must-have for every wardrobe. Why, you ask? Well, it's simple. The classic white shirt is like a blank canvas that allows you to create countless outfit combinations. It can be paired with almost anything in your wardrobe, from your favorite jeans for that effortless chic look to a pencil skirt for a more formal ensemble. Want a more casual vibe? Tuck it into high-waisted shorts and you're good to go. Need to dress up for a business meeting? Pair it with a tailored blazer and you'll exude professionalism and style. But wait, it's not just about versatility. The classic white shirt is also about elegance. Its clean, crisp look adds a touch of sophistication to any outfit, making you feel confident and put together. So remember, whether it's for a casual day out or an important meeting, a classic white shirt is a versatile piece that adds elegance to any outfit. Fourth on our list is a stylish blazer. This is your secret weapon to instantly upgrade any outfit, transforming it from casual to professional in seconds. Whether you're heading to a parent-teacher meeting, a lunch date, or even just running errands, a blazer adds an air of sophistication that's hard to beat. Think of it as your armor, your cloak of confidence. It's not just a piece of clothing, it's a statement. It says, I'm here, I'm in charge, and I mean business. But remember, blazers aren't just for the workplace. They can be dressed down with a pair of jeans and a t-shirt for a casual yet chic look, or paired with a little black dress for a night out. The versatility of a blazer is unmatched. It's like a chameleon, adapting to any situation and making you look good while doing it. So remember, a stylish blazer is your key to looking polished and put together. Last but not least, we have a pair of comfortable flats. The importance of comfortable footwear cannot be overstated, especially for the glamorous mom who's always on the go. A great pair of flats is a lifesaver when you're running errands, chasing after kids, or simply enjoying a day out. But let's not forget fashion. Flats are far from boring. They come in a myriad of styles, colors, and designs, making them an easy match with almost any outfit. From ballet flats to loafers to sandals, the possibilities are endless. A pair of nude or black flats, for instance, can be a versatile addition to your wardrobe, effortlessly transitioning from a casual day look to an elegant evening one. And for those who love a pop of color or a funky pattern, flats offer a perfect opportunity to express your personal style without sacrificing comfort. In conclusion, comfortable flats are a must-have for any glam mom on the go. Now that we've covered the 5 wardrobe essentials, let's revisit their benefits. First, there's the little black dress, a must-have for every glamorous mom. Its beauty lies in its simplicity and versatility. Whether you're heading to a parent-teacher conference or a dinner date, This timeless piece can easily be dressed up or down. Next, we have the well-fitted jeans. They're not just for casual Fridays anymore. With the right accessories and a stylish blazer, these can take you from grocery shopping to a casual business meeting without missing a beat. They're the epitome of comfort meeting style. Then there's the classic white shirt. This piece is like a blank canvas, offering endless possibilities. Pair it with your well-fitted jeans for a chic, casual look, or tuck it into a pencil skirt for a more formal ensemble. The options are limitless. Now let's not forget the stylish blazer. This is the ultimate layering piece. It can instantly elevate any outfit, making it look more polished and sophisticated. It's perfect for those days when you need to make a great impression. And last but not least, the comfortable flats. These are your go-to for those days when you're on the move. They offer the perfect balance between comfort and style, proving that you don't have to sacrifice one for the other. By having these 5 essentials in your wardrobe, you're simplifying the process of dressing up. You'll always have something to wear, no matter the occasion. These pieces can be mixed and matched to create a variety of stylish and versatile looks. The power of wardrobe essentials is that they provide a solid foundation for your style. They're the building blocks of a well-curated wardrobe that reflects your personal style and lifestyle. Remember, a well-curated wardrobe with these essentials is a glam mom's secret to always looking stylish and feeling confident.